must load the Windows image file to be downloaded into the flash memory using Rufus. If you do not know how to use the Rufus application, you can install Windows after watching my Rufus video, the link of which I gave in the description of my YouTube video. Open your internet browser. Search for Windows 11 download. Click on the Download Windows 11 line from the Microsoft site. From the Select Download section, click on your choice. Click the Download Now button. Select the Windows 11 language you want to download from the Select the Product Language section. Click the Confirm button. Click the 64-bit download button. Downloading. Download time will vary depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, don't forget to flash it with the Rufus application. My video explaining how to do it is in the link in the description of this video. Downloaded. Open the download folder.